Hi guys, down at Thornbury, down at the recycling centre. Just been inside buying some stuff when some people came in to bring stuff in, and they can't accept electrical items over the counter there, which included this Hubsan that they brought in. Well, I happened to be standing there, so I said, well, I'll have it. So they gave it to me. It's a bit rough, propellers are all bent up, but I've just plugged the battery in. So I think we might have a goer. That one's clearly the wrong propeller. Probably supposed to be two green and two black, but there isn't another good black one in there. I'm pretty sure I've got quite a few of these at home, because I bought some ages ago. The propellers I'm talking about. So I might have some replacements already. But there, that's just right place, right time. Got the instructions. The Hubsan X4. Clearly the battery works. It's one of those ones with a little camera on the front and a SD card slot underneath. So, well, we might have to try that out. Not just now, because we haven't got enough good propellers, but yeah, we will see.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.